like sour milk all on the floor. It's your fault you didn't shut the refrigerator. Maybe that's the reason I've been acting so cold.
And I get it from my mammy, ball main, bust down. These hoes can't stand me. Material girl. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy popping with your man in Miami. Material girl. Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it takes to keep the grudge.
Bitch in a taxi, wanna get drunk and nasty. Wanna get drunk and nasty. Wanna get drunk and nasty. Wanna get drunk and nasty.
Go crash it when nobody's home. Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do.
Andrew Garfield spit in my mouth.
Well, hands in my pants cause she a freak. I told her that I'm celibate, ain't fucking about a week. Psych, bitch, I lied, you can ride me to this beat. I hit her in the Benz.
Say I'm the one you want, so come express it. Don't slip, don't slip. Cause a nigga might push up on it. Don't really wanna lose this moment. While window shopping, you own this side.
Damn, my mommy, yo, sticky, got a nigga out here feeling kicky. Every time you put it on me, man, leave me real trip. Every time we on the week, fix.
It was rare, I was there. I remember it all too well.
Must apologize for acting stinking, treating you this way. Cause I've been acting like sour milk all on the floor. It's your fault you didn't shut the refrigerator. Maybe that's the reason I've been acting so cold. If I could
Somebody's Billy Bears.
Make your pants unzip more than zip lock. Your dick break hard like a metal. I got 3 holes for it like a pretzel.
Hey, there's no we without you. Hey, there's no we without you. I wanna sing a song that'll be just us. Gonna sing along to another one. And I wanna cry, I wanna fall in love. But all my tears, they're being meet me in the afterglow.
Tell me that you're still mine. Tell me that we'll be just fine. Even when I lose my mind.
I'm the one who to
Say, tell me that it's not my fault. Tell me that I'm all you want. Even when I break your heart.
sorry that I
need
hurt you.
Sharing all your secrets with each other since you were kids. Sleeping soundly with the locket that she gave you close to.
She don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros. So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess
You be my American boy. Tell her walk, walk, block.
who killing them in the UK? Every everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me.
Hang around my nigga, cause I seen it, every one of your squad can switch. DP, SB, 3272, nigga, that's my partner. Them GL, OB, EA, BP, nigga, that's my partner. Them nigga.
You love another psychopath sitting next to you. You love another murderer sitting next to you. You think I'd get it sitting next to you. But after all,
I'm sorry, kid.
Yeah, me too.
Don't. Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
all my friends are here. Sharing my heart, stare at me apart. But I know I miss you, baby, if I left right now. Doing what I can, trying to be a man.
When you go away, I still see you. With some mud on your face and a real feel.
From strangers to friends, friends into lovers, and strangers again.
I've been confused as of late, yeah.
Trying to be a man, every time I kiss you, baby.
You gon' do a handstand, then split on it. Kiss on it, lick on it, touch on it, fuck on it, spit on it, suck on it.
I want Andrew Garfield to smash a laptop on my tits.
Go.
You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good girl fake and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Do you lay eggs?
What? No.
You're the Spider-Man.
I'm not.
Must apologize for acting, stinking, treating you this way. 'Cause I've been acting like sour milk